Well, perhaps it is the answer in part. As you will know, that cancer is very often caused by environmental chemical agents. And we have evolved a whole host of different factors in cells that will normally protect us from those agents. And this includes, for example, the chemical agents that you find in cigarette smoke. And what we've done in the present work is to show that the levels of a particular protective factor can be a key determinant in whether or not the chemical agents in cigarette smoke cause cancer or not.
This is one particular gene.
It is just one single gene, and perhaps that is what it's so interesting, in that we know there are lots and lots of different genes that have the potential to protect us from chemical agents or environmental agents. And what is surprising, that just by manipulating one gene, we can change sensitivity to a chemical agent so profoundly. Well, I think that this is a very important new avenue of research that we're opening up here, which gives us the possibility of preventing cancer by enhancing our own natural defenses against cancer-causing agents. It also will give us the possibility to look at how variability in the levels of these protective factors may determine individual susceptibility to the disease. Because Colin's paper is coming out in PNAS tomorrow on GST-P1 and cancer susceptibility. A bit slower, maybe.
You could even, yes, that's an idea. And even turn your hand slightly to favour me so I can see more.
The NRGT3 controls.
Everybody is at risk of developing cancer. Those who smoke are at a greatly increased risk of developing some forms of cancer, particularly lung cancer, and that those who have this type of genetic abnormalities of this particular genetic system may be at even more increased risk. The message for all people who smoke is that you should think very carefully about stopping.
The implications of what they've actually discovered seem to be changing. People are getting carried away thinking that this is somehow a way of immunizing yourself against cancer caused by smoking. It certainly isn't that. The only way to protect yourself from lung cancer is to stop smoking.
Well, if I knew I could get tested somewhere, I'd definitely go and get tested, and if it led to me actually having this gene, then I would definitely carry on smoking.
So can you tell me, what do you think about it, and will it affect you?
Well, apparently we're protected against cancer now, aren't we? So we can continue smoking. We're quite good.